You don't need expensive gear to make good videos, but you can't make good videos without being a good filmmaker. These days, all the influencers online are telling you that you can make great videos with minimal gear. I agree with them, but there is one problem. You can't make good videos if you suck. And if your excuse is, I don't have time, I have work, I have school, etc., then make time. If you want it bad enough, you will do it, no matter the odds. But there's a reason why experienced filmmakers use expensive gear. It's because they know how to max out its full potential. If you're considering on buying new gear, more specifically a new camera, you need to know every single thing about that camera. For example, the Nikon D3400 was my starting camera, and it's very old, but guess what? I know how to change any setting on this camera. I might be a little rusty because I haven't used it in a long time, but more or less I can get to any setting I want on here. This was my second official camera that I use for making content, the Canon M6. Form factor is great. I know how to change any setting on here too, just like the Nikon D3400. And now I'm filming on the Sony FX30, which I'm still learning every single setting. I know about 80%, and I might be using this camera for a long time. But my point is, before you upgrade, you want to make sure you know about the camera or the type of gear you're trying to buy. Then, and only then, is when you can upgrade. The moral of the story is that you need to be highly educated and highly skilled in filmmaking to be able to make good videos with any type of gear. And if you suck at filmmaking, then a great camera is not going to make you better. If anything, it's just going to make you worse. If this video resonated with you guys, please hit the subscribe button and share this to your friends and family. See you guys later. Peace.